In today's video, I am going to teach you how to extract audio from a video in Canva. This is perfect when you want to reuse a voiceover, pull out background music, or just edit the sound separately from the visuals. First, open your Canva project and add your video clip to the timeline. If it's already there, great. Make sure it's on the timeline and not just sitting in your Uploads panel, because the timeline is where we'll do the work. Next, click directly on the video in the timeline to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a highlight around the clip and the top toolbar updates. This step matters because Canva only shows the audio options when the video is actively selected. Now look up to the toolbar at the top of the editor. Depending on your version, you'll either see a button labeled Audio Tools or you may need to click the More icon, shown as 3 dots, to reveal additional options. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Design interfaces can shift slightly, so just check the More menu. Click Audio Tools or open the More menu and choose Extract Audio. Canva will separate the sound from your video and place it on its own track. You'll notice a new colored waveform line appearing below your video clip. That's your extracted audio. Nothing else changes on your canvas at this point, so your visuals stay intact. From here, click the audio track to edit it. To trim, drag the handles at the beginning or end to set the exact in and out points. If you want a cleaner start or finish, apply fades so the audio eases in and out, instead of cutting abruptly. You can also adjust the volume to balance the sound with any other elements in your project. If you decide you don't need the audio at all, simply delete the audio track. Your video will remain, but it will be silent. As you edit, use the playhead to preview your changes and listen for smooth transitions. If something doesn't sound right, press undo to step back. And remember, these edits affect only this project, so you can experiment confidently. That's it. Thanks for watching.